we're gonna change his hair a little bit. So let's put his hair in spotlight mode. I'm here with my hair and I did this. Oh, oops, sorry. This is not okay. Let's raise just a little bit, like this. Here. Okay. F2. Let's see. Goes up, goes down. Head a little bit to back, so we can move hair like this. F2. Okay, his hair is shaking a little bit. Here is a little bit too much. Let's fix this. Let me see. Note that on Arttista, you don't need always to select the whole object. You can select just a single or more points, as I did here, selecting these points and interpolating just them. So, here is the result until now. Our character using glasses, blinking, the hair is moving against the wind in a sunny day, right? So, I'll see you on the next video tutorial. This is it. Bye bye.